If you want to glow up your skin, fade pigmentation, and improve texture, you need to try Korean rice skincare. Starting with the Anra rice powder, I am obsessed with this. It gently exfoliates dead skin and also helps improving texture and uneven skin. I have it on for a minute, and then after washing it off, it instantly gives me that clean, smooth base. I follow that up with this rice toner, and this one's a staple for me. I've used it over a year. It has 70% rice water and niacinamide to brighten dullness and deeply hydrate the skin. And then this rice serum, a game changer. It has ceramides and panthenol to calm, hydrate, and strengthen the skin barrier and leaves my skin super glowy. And then lastly, the rice moisturizer to lock all of this in. It's deeply nourishing and feels very lightweight, and it seals all the hydration in without any heaviness. This is the ultimate glass skin routine. It's simple, gentle, and it works.
My affordable glass skin routine that'll have the skin looking expensive. Face wash to gently dissolve impurities, leaving the skin soft and smooth. Vitamin C serum helps improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while helping the skin look more radiant and bright. Dark spot serum to gently exfoliate and help remove the appearance of dark spots while balancing excess oil. SPF 50 to moisturize while providing a dewy glow that protects the skin. Beautiful on its own and under makeup. Lip balm to nourish the lips. All done. A skincare routine from Naturium everyone can use every day because consistency is the key to skin you love.
These are 3 drinks I drink for glass skin. Number 1 is carrot juice. This is your retinol. This is going to give you that glow, help reduce inflammation, and also help prevent wrinkles. Next is green tea. This helps with deep bloating, balancing hormones, also helps with acne. After you drink it, you can cut this tea bag open and apply it on your face like a face mask. Apple cider vinegar. If you guys don't already have this, you definitely need to get some. This helps with bloating, sugar cravings, digestion, your pH level. They're just some things I like to do. They really help my gut, and if my gut is healthy, so is my skin. How I get my glass skin look with 3 key products. I'm starting with the Clinique All About Clean Liquid Facial Soap. This literally just gives me extra clean skin and preps for the exfoliating. Onto the clarifying lotion. This leaves my skin extra fresh and there's no more dead skin. I have to hydrate the under eyes, of course, add a little eye cream. Back again with the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. This goes on really easy and absorbs quickly. Added a little collagen on the face, and of course I have to hydrate the lips. Super easy routine and you get that glass skin look.
This is how you can achieve that Korean glass skin. Double cleansing is key, especially when you're wearing makeup, and I find that this Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil gets rid of all my makeup, and also when I massage it here on my nose, it gets rid of my blackheads. It's insane. It leaves my skin feeling so smooth, so soft, with no dry feeling at all. If you're dealing with irritated, sensitive skin, this toner pad will be your best friend. Whenever my skin is red and irritated, I just take a pad and let my skin soak up all the goodness, and it works so freaking well. My favorite essence in the whole entire world. It really does leave the skin with this glassy look. I love this so much. If you want glass skin, get this. I thought this was good, but this is even better. She's made with 70% Heartleaf, which is amazing for sensitive, acne-prone skin. It's quite thick, but I find that it gets absorbed so well, like it's not sticky at all. A little goes a long way, and it's the best. If you have oily skin and you're looking for a sunscreen that's not gonna make your skin feel greasy, but it's gonna hydrate your skin, this is the sunblock for you. She's viral for a reason. This is the Beauty of Joseon sunblock. I got all these products from YesStyle. I have a 15% discount code here if you want to use it.
If I could give you 3 skincare tips that's going to absolutely change your life so you can have more youthful looking skin, these would be it. Starting off with the most important one, please hydrate your skin. Okay, you may be wondering, how do we do that? With niacinamide, okay? This baby right here is my current favorite. It's a Clarins multi-active day cream. By the way, for reference, this is my credential. This is what my skin used to look like. How does my skin look younger now? Niacinamide is one of my favorites because it helps fine lines, texture, wrinkles, and just overall strengthening your skin barrier. And you guys, specifically 2% niacinamide. Trust me, the 2% concentration makes a difference. It's effective but not too strong where it might irritate your skin. Okay, walk with me. Daytime equals protection and nighttime equals repair. You can't just focus on your nighttime skincare routine. During the day, your skin is in defense mode from sun, stress, all that stuff. So all these things can really weaken your collagen. It's honestly quite simple. Less collagen equals more wrinkles and more fine lines. My mom actually put me on this cream. She has phenomenal skin. It has sea holly extract, which really just helps strengthen your skin barrier, like locks in that hydration for up to 24 hours. Look at how plump my skin looks. Number 3 is application. Pat, don't rub. I'm getting better at this too, but it's very common in Asian households. This is how my mom taught me. You take some, kind of warm it up in your hands, and then you just pat it in your skin versus rubbing, because rubbing can kind of cause that tension and pull on your skin versus patting is just a lot more gentle. And it also can just help stimulate circulation, which that helps your skin look more firm, plump, and bouncy. And I gotta say, my mom was right, because just look at that glow. Like, I'm truly obsessed. I'm telling you guys, with those tips and this cream, my mom has literally been like, oh, you look so much younger. I'm like, okay, thanks, mom. But yeah, guys, definitely check this clearance cream.
If you're not double cleansing, what are you even doing? This Korean skincare secret changed my skin. For a great double cleanse, you need to start with a quality cleansing balm. This calm balm melts off everything, mascara, lipstick, you name it, and it's so gentle around the eyes. Next, go in with a cleanser. The Yepada Bubble Double Cleanser lifts away every bit of dirt without drying your skin out. Serum is also a must if you want glowing skin. With the Glow Hero, you get a natural glow without feeling greasy. Just look at this radiance. Lastly, you have to lock everything in with a great cream. The Midnight Magic Cream isn't sticky at all, just hydration that lasts until the morning. Honestly, my skin looks fantastic. If you want your makeup removal to be this easy and your skin to look this healthy, you need to try this Yepada Korean skincare routine.
If you want to know the secret to glass-looking skin, let me tell you, it is double cleansing. I feel like where a lot of people go wrong in their skincare routine is that they don't remove the heavy makeup properly. If I have a waterproof makeup that is super long wearing, then I always like to go in with a cleansing balm. A good cleansing balm should remove all of the dirt and impurities. Then once all of the makeup is removed, you go in with your water-based cleanser. This cleansing balm is really nice because it's going to help purify. Okay, now your skin should feel super clean, but you want to go in and hydrate. For my serum, I like to go in with anything that's going to repair and calm the skin. I like how this is so lightweight without feeling sticky or tacky. For nighttime in particular, I always like to boost the levels of hydration, so I'm going to go in with a sleeping pack. If you've never tried a sleeping pack before, it's basically a night cream that works even better. I use the Glow Hero for my last steps, just lock in the hydration. It's mainly my cheeks and underneath my eyes have been really dry, but you can see that instant gives you that glass looking skin, honey.
That's all you need to get poreless skin. Don't get me wrong, it's okay for your skin to have pores, but if you desire a poreless looking skin like this, come take notes. Anything that exfoliates your skin. So these are my top 2 favorite exfoliating toners. Edam Cashmere Pale Gentle Exfoliating Toner. This is gentle but still gets the job done. It's Paula's Choice 2% BHA Exfoliating Liquid. No blackheads, poreless skin. She's that girl. This? Babes, if you're using retinol in your routine, your skin is not gonna look like this. Think of retinol as retinol's cooler, less irritating cousin. This is the Medic 8 Crystal Retinol. There are different levels. I was like, my skin can handle it, so I went up to number 6. I've never looked back. This tackles texture, fine lines, without turning your face into the Sahara Desert. When you see her, you see me. When you see me, you see her. This is a Drunk Elephant Glycolic Night Serum. This gives me brighter, smoother skin. Like when I want my skin to look like glass in the morning, I use this. We have the Osea Sea Glow Overnight Serum. I use this twice a week at night. In the morning, no pores. Smoothens my skin and then makes my skin look plump. I must tell you, you have to go crazy on your sunscreen when using this product, okay? If you want to reduce the look of fine lines, this is gonna be your girl. SkinCeuticals Petiox Serum. Radiance in a bottle, no texture. She's the one. You're welcome.
My skin never used to look as healthy as this, and two things that made the biggest difference is rice and Korean skincare. So let me show you my routine. After cleansing, I use this rice mask that gently exfoliates the dead skin cells so your skin can absorb the products better, and it improves skin texture as well. Once I rinse off the mask, I go in with this rice toner, which I've been using for over 6 months, and it's one of the most hydrating yet lightweight toners, which is perfect for summer. It's 70% rice water, and it has niacinamide, which helps to brighten the skin. And then I'm going in with one of my favorite serums. As you can see, I've finished so many bottles of this. It's super calming, especially if your skin tends to get irritated easily. So if you want glass skin this summer while keeping your skin very healthy, this is it. And lastly, to lock in all the hydration, I use a soothing lotion like this one, which leaves your skin so hydrated and radiant. All these products are from Anua, and this is pretty much how I incorporate rice in my Korean skincare routine.